Working on home improvement projects around your house and yard typically requires driving in lots of nails, but sooner or later you're gonna have to pull out some of those nails. So I wanted to share with you 3 techniques that make it really easy to pull out virtually any nail. First, you've probably seen this technique where you use a block of wood as a fulcrum. It just provides quite a bit of extra leverage for pulling the nail out. And you can also use a technique called side-to-side pull, where you put the claw onto the nail shaft and you just rock it back and forth. You may have to reposition the hammer, but little by little, it'll pull the nail out. Now that does kind of mess up the wood surface sometimes, so be careful where you use that. But here's another technique. What happens if you have a nail in which the head has broken off, or maybe it's a large finishing nail, has a very tiny head, and all you need is a pair of locking pliers. Lock the pliers onto the shaft, nice and tight like that, and then put the claw of the hammer. What you're essentially doing is prying up on the pliers, and the pliers will yank out the nail. So then you just pull back, pop out the nail.